Hello, AI Explorers. Welcome back to our channel and welcome back to Midjourney Monday. For most of our holiday pictures that we've been creating on Midjourney, we've just been having fun, but today we're going to do something that might be a little more useful to you as you look at your marketing efforts in the coming month, as we look at how we can create some social media graphics using Midjourney. And I'm here again with my brother, Warren Tingen. Say, hey, what are we doing today, Warren?
Well, what I think we're going to realize in Midjourney today is an illustrated graphic for social media posts. As you'll see on social media, everybody starts posting seasonal things, and you want some good backgrounds, and maybe you don't want to go to the traditional stock art route on Getty or some other thing. You can go to Midjourney and create a background for your posts. So right now I've already started one. So I've got a Christmas tree illustration background for a social media post. Vectorize it. We'll see what some of these things bring up. And let's just hit that and go. So it's going to make a square for us, which is good because a lot of the social media platforms accept those square graphics. And while Midjourney will create like a 1024 by 1024, you can enhance it to 1200 by 1200, which is suitable for Facebook and Twitter, LinkedIn, whatever.
What's the point of the instruction for vectorize? What's that doing?
It's going to give it a more Illustrator or vector program look, I hope. And so now we're taking a look at it.
I think it does.
So yeah, it has that more kind of fanciful, hand-drawn in a computer program look. So there's that. I like it.
As opposed to a photo or something like that. Because sometimes you'll find stock photos that are more realistic looking.
Yeah, I mean, you could do something, thinking on that, remember we had problems with the snowballs? Let's do
yeah, we did
asymmetrical photography of a snowfield with mountains.
So it's interesting. So I gave it one just Christmas themed background for social media, and it did okay. But like you said, and we've talked about this a lot, which is the specificity that you give to Midjourney increases like the likelihood that you get what you're asking for, you know? And so these backgrounds are good, but like you said, with the vectorized thing, you got something more of like a computer illustrated, computer drawn look. Whereas mine,
I like that.
What
was the prompt here? Christmas themed background for social media. I like it. It's funny, you've got these little birds with the hearts above it. Oh, that's nice. I like the little miniaturized city or buildings there. That's pretty cute.
Yeah. No, I mean, it did a really good job. And as Midjourney frequently does, which is why we keep talking about it as our platform of choice for this kind of thing. But
I love the ornaments.
I think it did a really good job. Yeah. So we're going to take these photos and we're going to put them on our blog as well so you can download them.
Use them however you want.
Yeah. Use these images for your social media posts if you like. And if you do, tag us, that kind of thing. Send a link back to us. Nice snowfield tundra there. I like it. Yeah. Very cool.
Not really Christmassy, but I guess I didn't put anything Christmassy in there. Let's try this again with illustrative.
Yeah, you have to give it that keyword for Christmas for it to kind of get the right feel, right?
A ethereal snowfield for Christmas.
Ethereal snowfield for Christmas. Let's see what it comes back with mountains in the background. And okay, so you're going to add it there. Right. I think the social media post is important because like on mine, I mentioned social media, even though I didn't give it that vectorize instruction. And so it kind of made space where it blurred out parts of the photo or provided a space for you to put a quote or something. And so I think that instruction is important for it to give you that space to put text, which is kind of fun.
Let's see what it comes up with, and then we'll sign off and hope you enjoy your Midjourney Monday.
Yeah. Although next week I just had an idea. We should figure out how to do Christmas cards where you like upload your family photo and have it redo them.
Oh, that'll be fun and fantastic. So I didn't really go for that. I'll have to figure out something to do better with that. But I like the backgrounds. Maybe some snowfall. But
cool.
Interesting.
Well, thanks for coming to Midjourney Monday. We'll keep playing around with some of these, and we'll be putting the Christmas-themed social media post graphics on our blog. Thanks for visiting us, and we'll see you guys next week.
All right.